Hey guys, my name is James Morgan. My YouTube channel is Captain J Morgan. Haven't done a video in a long time. Um, it's been months. Uh, I uh, started the channel to actually um, film videos for real estate and new construction, but I got into buying stock um, during the pandemic when things were slow, and that's sort of more my passion now. Even though I still do construction and I still buy homes and sell homes and build homes, um, that's my day job. Uh, but for about first 6 months of that I got into stock market, I bought and sold quite a few uh, different stocks. I was learning about the market. Um, I almost tripled my money, but it's a very volatile market, and I was just, I was very fortunate and a lot of luck. And then back in late January of 2020, I uh, I got into AMC. I have a few past videos that'll explain how I got into it. I won't belabor how I got into it right now. It's going to be a quick video, I hope. And got into it, and immediately when I got into it, within a day, it plummeted. The buy button got taken away from all the quite a few of those what they call meme stocks, and so I had a decision to make, just like a lot of us are probably having now. Do I stay in while the price is plummeting or going down, or do I hang in there because is the market, or do I hang in there and maybe dollar cost average down, which that's what I did. Now, and one of the reasons I did that was because I started learning about AMC, started doing some due diligence and some research on it, and I thought that if it got under $10, that's when I loaded up at the time, because I had gotten in. I bought in the first one. It was FOMOing, and it was squeezing a little bit in January of 2020. I was in the high teens and low 20s. Um, so I thought, I had to make a decision. Do I just get out of this, take my losses, or dollar cost average down and hold on? And that's what I did. And so now I have I bought most of the shares back in probably late January, February, even through probably early March. Um, and I had probably close to around 24,000 shares at the time. Since then, over the last probably 5 or 6 months, I bought a few more thousand shares here and there. And so right now I got close to about 26,000 shares. I didn't sell when it in the 70s. I didn't sell when it went up to or when it hit the 70 mark. Even in hindsight, when I look back, maybe I should have got out of some of it, and then I could have bought back. But you don't know, and I'm not. I have a day job, and I'm not real great at that. And I was still believing in the play, and I still believe in the AMC play. Doesn't mean that it's going to happen, because you got a lot of shenanigans out there with the with market makers, and of course hedge funds, and even the all the people in the markets that have an interest in this and an interest in it to to go down. So I still think there's a good chance for it to go up. Probably a lot better chance for it to squeeze on up than not. And so that's why I am in still. I know everyone has to make their own decision on it, but I wanted to make this video real quick because I've made some in the past, and I have been in on it since the beginning of the squeeze, and I still believe that even more so now that it has a chance to, and it should, but a lot of things should happen that don't. Um, but until I feel different, or until I can see something out there that's making me think different, or until I can see that the majority of the hedge funds have covered, then I'll stay in it. If it And if it goes much lower and it hits the like the low teens or the gets under 10, might think about loading up a little bit more, at least what I can. I mean, I got probably over a quarter million into this thing now, so we can all do whatever we can do. So it's all relative. If it was uh, $500 and I couldn't do any more, then you can't. But um, might do a little bit more. But I got to see. I hope it doesn't go any further down. But if it does, I think that it could be a good catalyst to slingshot the thing back up like it did last time. But regardless, the key will be, like I think anyone watching this video knows, is have the shorts covered, and is the AMC stock community selling. So it's just my opinion, not pushing you guys to hold it or to buy it. It's just what I'm going to do, but I'm going to hold. I mean, if I held when it was 50, 60, $70 and or mainly $70 and up, I can hold now. And let's just see what happens. Excuse me, I just got in. This should, I think we all know, if we've been following this stock should squeeze and go up, but it doesn't mean that it will. There's a lot of manipulation going on with the stock, and a lot of factors are teaming up against it. But at the end of the day, the one that they can't take away is they can't take our shares away, and they can't they can they can manipulate them, and they can make false shares, and but they can't take your shares unless you sell them. So that's it. Also think about when you're going to get out. I've seen videos, and just my opinion again, that say hundreds, thousands, and $1 million, and we'll see. I'm not sure about that. Even if this thing does squeeze and takes a bunch of hedge funds and banks down with it, I don't know if it's going to get there, because it would they'll have to stop it at some point, because hurting the economy, the whole economy. But in the hundreds and the middle hundreds, even up to 1,000, yeah, I think it could. But just my opinion. Just wanted to give you guys some support out there, and let you know that I'll be holding on as well for till I see it go up, or until I see the hedge funds have covered. And if anyone wants to shoot me a email, I'll try to answer any question or just have a discussion with you. Again, I don't make a lot of videos. I might start making a few more, especially regarding the AMC. That's it. All right. Thanks, guys. Hang in there. And also, don't be discouraged, at least my opinion. Don't be discouraged on anything you hear or see on YouTube. I watch a lot of YouTube when I come in the evenings, or as much as I can, maybe an hour, hour and a half, a couple hours at night if I can't sleep. And I'll peruse a lot of the financial channels, and a lot of channels having to do with AMC. And you get all kinds. But I do believe the majority of the people that I have talked to, just even out in the community, when I'm out and I know someone's in stocks, or a retail stock trader, we'll start talking about the meme stocks. And I'll be darned if I hadn't run across probably handful of AMC stockholders, and they're very very loyal and sincere. And so I think that's what it's going to take if we have a shot at getting this stock to run. So that's my thoughts. You just get through all the drama and stuff you see on the YouTube channels. It's sort of everyone likes to watch a train wreck sometimes, or drama. That's why these reality shows are big. But just take it with a grain of salt. Do your own. I mean, evidently, if you're an AMC stockholder, something got you in it, and you're smart enough to get in it and to stay in it. Some people want to say you're smart, but I think you are if you're still in. And especially if you got in it at a higher rate than where it's at now. Don't just my opinion. I wouldn't take a loss. I have taken a loss on some stocks when I knew that it was the play was over or it was just time to get out or get into something else. But right now the market is so volatile and bad that I don't see much else better, is my opinion, than AMC stock. And excuse me. And so let's just see what happens. And maybe the stock market, dipping and having a big correction is a good catalyst for AMC. So see what happens, but just wanted to let you know I have been in the stock for a long time. I'm not a Johnny come lately. You can look back and see my videos from way back, and you'll see I got in the stock a long time ago. Still have it, still holding it, and we'll go from there. All right. My email is captainjmorgan@gmail.com. If anyone wants to shoot me an email or ask a question or just do some discussion on it, and we'll get on the phone and talk about it if you want to. But that's it. And you don't have to worry about hitting the like or subscribe button. If you want to subscribe, you can, but I'm not going to be making money, I don't think, off my channel or anything. I jumped on here again. My day job keeps me pretty busy, and that's it. But you never know. Maybe after this shoots to the moon, I can get a big studio or better studio going here. This is my office. All right, thanks, guys. James Morgan, AMC stockholder, Captain J Morgan, out. Appreciate it. See if I can do this right here in stream.